Hello everyone. I wanted to show you today that even if you do not own a Silhouette Cameo, I just want to make it very clear that you can still do what I'm showing on these tutorials because the Silhouette Studio software is free. So what you would do is you would be able to design everything just like I'm showing you on these tutorials with the Silhouette Studio on your own computer. Then you can print them out on your own home printer. The only difference would be in the end, you would not be able to cut out the files since you don't own the Silhouette Cameo or the portrait. Again, this uses a free software that can be found here at this website, and I'll add that link below so that you can try it and download it for free. You can use it for Mac or for Windows PC. It doesn't matter. So let me show you how I'm using this today, and I hope you feel free to join us as I continue to work on some more of these. In order to print your own photos in whatever custom size you want to make, you can do that with the free Silhouette Studio software. You can use the print feature right here, Send to Printer, with any home printer. You don't have to own the Silhouette Cameo. The only difference would be is afterwards you could send the project to the Silhouette to cut the photos out for you if you wanted. So the first thing I'm going to do is find this right size page. So I create a new document, a new drawing, and then I go over here to open the Page Tools window. And I select 8.5 by 11 letter. I'm assuming that's probably the same size paper that your printer uses as well. Now, since I will be cutting my photos out with my Silhouette instead of by hand, I'm going to set my registration marks. So I'll show registration marks. But if you're just using your home printer, you don't have to worry about that step. Okay, so now it's time to draw my mats. I'm sure you've seen Instagram photos and you've seen Becky Higgins with her 4x3 photo slots, as well as We Are Memory Keepers with their 6x6 and 4x6 and all the various different size photo sleeves that a lot of these different places have. And this is a really quick and easy way to import your photos into whatever custom size you want. So for example, I'm working with Becky Higgins today, and it's going to be the 4x3 size. So I will click on this rectangle that I just drew, click on Open the Scale window. My width will be 3 inches, and my height will be 4 inches. And then I click Apply. Okay, now I know I can fit 4 of these on here. Now, if you're just using your home printer at home, you want to still make sure that all of these design elements, you keep them inside these 2 red lines because that will guarantee that it's going to print on your paper. Since I'm also using my Silhouette, and if you have a Silhouette, you want to also make sure that you stay out of the gray areas for your little registration marks. Okay, so now for the fun part of importing the pictures. First, I'm going to just make sure all of these are 4 inches by 3 inches. So now I'll go to my library, and I'll click on this folder called My Own Designs. This is where you're going to import your photos. It's very important that you go ahead and do this so that you get the correct pixelization of your photos as they come in. So I'll say File, Import to My Library. Select all files, and all your pictures will show up. So I think this makes me do it one by one. Yeah, it makes me do it one by one. So I'll select this one next. and I'll keep importing the rest of the photos that I want to use for this file. So now to fill in the photos, you'll want to make sure that you click on the frame that you want to insert the photo. Click on Show Library, and then choose the picture. And there you have it. So now, if you do not own the Silhouette Cameo, all you would do at this point is click this button right here, Send to Printer. You can print these out, and then you can cut them out by hand either with scissors or with your paper trimmer. I'll go over to the next step on Send to Silhouette after I've printed these, and it will cut them out. If I click on the Open the Cut Style window, you'll see there's a red line around each one of these photos. So when I insert this into the Silhouette Cameo, it will cut out all of those photos perfectly for me, and I can just slide them right in to those Becky Higgins 4x3 photo sleeves. So I hope this helped those of you out who don't own a Cameo as well, to see that you can use the power of this software with your regular printer. So I hope that helped you out today, and thanks for watching.